Hi Nana. Good morning. How are you Nana? I hope you are doing well. Okay. Now I want to say you some activity. Yes? Wherever you are, can you stand for me? Come on, stand up. Yes. Now keep your hands up. Hands up. Up. Down. Yes? Once again. Up. Down. Okay? Come on. Now, this is your Little Thinker English textbook. You have some activity here. Circle the picture that shows someone moving up with a red crayon. Circle the picture that shows something or someone moving down with a blue crayon. See, you can see in this picture some playground and the slide up and down and the trees, and they are playing in the playground. Okay, before going to this activity, I want to show you some pictures. Come on, all of you, look at the board, Nana. See, here you can see there is a tree. Here you can see a tree, Nana. Have you seen? This is a tree. On the tree, there is, what is this? Bird. And here one boy is there. Can you say me, Nana? Where is the bird? Where is the bird, Nana? The bird is up the tree. Yes? Where is the boy? The boy is down the tree. Okay? Up, down. Up, opposite, down. See, this bird is up. You can see here, this bird is up and this boy is down. Down. You can see down. D-O-W-N, down. D-O-W-N, down. Up spelling U-P, up. U-P, up. Okay, what is up? Bird is up. Who is down? Boy is down. Okay? Come on, keep your hands up. Yes, your hands are up. Now, down. This is the activity 1. In the same way, in this activity, in this English textbook, open the page number 1 and do this activity, Nana. What they are asking, you have to circle which are up. The things which are up. You can see here the boy and the ball. The ball is up here. Yes, you can see this girl is going up the slide. Okay, here seesaw also you can see this boy is up, this girl is down. Yes, you can see the cat is going up. You can see here the squirrel. The squirrel is coming down. You can see these apples are up and you can see one apple is down. So, what you have to do, Nana? Take your red crayon and you have to circle with the red crayon which are up. Which the things are up, that pictures you have to circle. Circle the pictures. Okay? And the down. Take the blue crayon which are down. You can see the ball is down, the squirrel is down, the apple is down, this boy is coming down the slide. You have to circle with the blue crayon. This is the activity you have to do. Okay, Nana? Bye. And the next one, this is another activity, Nana. Near and the far. You have the near and the far activity. Before going to this page, we have to see some pictures. You have to know, Nana. See, suppose this table is near to me. Yes? What are the things which is near? Can you say me, Nana? Yes, this book is near to me. Pen is near. Duster is near. What more, Nana? You can see there are the pens are near. And I can see the chair. The chair is near. Okay. Even the whiteboard is near to me. Yes? Okay, fine. Now, what are the far? Which are the far, Nana? Far means it is before you are here. Who is far? Your parents are far. Yes? Your teacher is near to you. Yes or no? And who are far, Nana? Come on, can you say me? Yes, you can see the trees are far. Yes? Even here fans are near to us. Yes or no? Okay. In the same way, now you have to see this whiteboard, Nana. If you see this whiteboard, you can see here there is a tree. There is a tree. Okay? And you can see there are the birds. See? In this picture, these are the birds, Nana. These are the birds. See, this near for teacher, this tree is near to me. Yes? Which are far, Nana? You can see that birds are far. Yes? That birds are far. This tree is near. This tree is near to teacher. N-E-A-R. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. You can see the birds are far. These are far in the picture. You have to write F-A-R. Far. F-A-R. Far. Okay, Nana? Okay, this tree is near and the birds are far. What more can you say me? See, this cycle is near. This is a cycle, Nana. This is the main road. You can see for teacher, this cycle is near to me. Okay, near spelling you have to write near the picture. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. Okay, N-E-A-R. Near. This cycle is near to teacher. That bus is far to teacher. Yes? You have to write the far spelling. F-A-R. Far. F-A-R. Far. This cycle is near and the bus is the far. Okay, you have to identify which pictures are near and which pictures are far. Okay, once again I am saying near means close to you. Far means it's far distance. Okay, you have to identify. Okay, Nana, what they told you to do in your English textbook, Nana? Little Thinker English textbook, you can see the page number 2. Put tick on the picture that shows near and put blue tick on the picture that shows far. Okay, now you have to see this picture. There is a mouse and a cat. Yes? See, there is a hole here. To this hole, you can see they both, the mouse and the cat, they are far or near? Far. Yes. This picture, near. they both are near. Here they both are far. What you have to do, Nana? For near, you have to put with red crayon, and for the far, you have to keep blue crayon. Okay, Nana? With blue crayon. You can see here tree and the lion. The tree and the lion, they are near. Yes? In this picture, you can see far, tree and the lion. Yes? Far means which crayon, Nana? With blue. Near means red crayon. Okay? Here you can see there is a house and the boy. You can see the boy and the house, there is a distance. See, Nana? It is far. He is far to house. Here you can see near to the house. So, for the near you have to keep red with red crayon, and for the far you have to keep blue crayon. Okay, Nana? Here there is a pizza and the puppy, and here you can see the pizzas are far. Here there is a puppy. Okay? So, near the pizza, the puppy is there here. For the near, you have to keep red crayon and the far with the blue crayon. You have to do this activity in your Little Tinker English textbook. Okay, Nana? Bye.